Hey guys, welcome back to a new episode of Viral Science Videos Debunked. Today, we are going to be debunking the cool science of hydrophobic substances. In this video, a guy dips his hands into a beaker of water covered with Lycopodium powder. When he dips his hands in, notice that it comes back out super dry. This is because Lycopodium powder is super hydrophobic. Recall that hydrophobic substances are water heating and hydrophilic substances are water loving. Therefore, as the man dips his hands in, a thin layer of powder coats his hands and prevents the water from reaching his skin. This hydrophobic effect can be seen in our everyday life in several aspects, from the repulsion of rain droplets on some plant leaves to the inability of cocoa powder to mix with milk. As you can see here, the cocoa powder does not mix with the milk. This is because the high percentage of fat in the cocoa powder makes it immiscible with milk. Although milk has fat, most milk that we buy is predominantly water. This makes the milk difficult to mix with the cocoa powder. Here is an experiment that you can try. Dip a full spoon of cocoa powder in a cup of milk and remove it as soon as it is fully submerged. Prick it with a fork and be amazed by what you see. What you should see here is that the wet layer of milk on the cocoa powder quickly vanished when it is pricked. This is because the starch in the cocoa powder was able to absorb some of the milk. After all, it is not hydrophobic. However, the entire spoon of cocoa powder did not get wet because the cocoa powder is hydrophobic. So, as soon as you break that layer of milk surrounding the cocoa powder, the surface tension of the water in the milk suddenly pulls the milk away and a dry layer of cocoa powder appears. So, we have come to the end of this amazing video. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and if you would like to check out our previous videos, be sure to check them out in the playlist. Thank you all for watching. This is Everyday Life Science.